This video shows how to buy shares of SLM Corp using the ticker SLM, a consumer financial services company listed on NASDAQ. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will verify your account with an ID and then add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker SLM to locate the correct listing. Make sure the result indicates NASDAQ as the exchange before selecting it. On the SLM asset page, check the basic company information and review the price chart to understand recent movements. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker match SLM before proceeding. To place an order, click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to open an account.